Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, sports suspension, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.